Welcome to the video. If you're here, you probably hear from the last video when I talk about how to handle debt collectors. If you're not, comfortable with that, you can also, contact a consumer lawyer in your state. But next we're going to be talking about medical debt. Now, if you watch any of my previous shorts, I talked about how earlier the CFPB got the approval from the Biden administration to do away with medical debt on your credit report. But with this current administration, and they just dismantled the CFPB, we don't know what is going to happen. I mean, they said they were going to leave things with the states, but you just never know. Right now, it's in limbo. But this is one of the most easiest things to get off your credit report. I could show you, I got these 5 in one shot. They're the easiest to get off. So basically what you're looking for when you get your letter, there's things that you ask for. You want to a summary of the charges of everything that had to do with your case. Now, I've asked in the past for, the billing, the statement, and things of that nature, and what happened. And I get that information from the debt collector. Why do they have this information? I do not know, but I know it's against the HIPAA law, and that's an automatic deletion off your credit report. Now, you may not have to fight with the credit bureaus too much with this. As I stated, it's one of the easiest things to get off of your credit report. But being that a lot of people, that's the first debt that most consumers seem to rack up, because you can't help when you get sick or hurt. So you don't know, you can't predict that, and the insurance nowadays suck. So you're coming out of pocket one way or another. So yes, I'll have letters and more detail about this listed down below in my ebook, which will be pinned to the top of the comments. So if you watch the next video, I'm going to be talking about repossessions.